Hi, I'm John Kennedy with Lutron Electronics, and today we are going to discuss the preset light options with the Maestro dimmer and Maestro fan light control. By default, the Maestro dimmer has an unlocked preset, which will turn the light on to the level it was last turned off at. You can also lock a preset to have the dimmer turn on to the same level every time. Remember that double tapping the Maestro will always turn the lights on to full brightness. To set a locked preset, first enter Advanced Feature Mode by pulling out the front accessible service switch. This will turn off your lights. Next, press and hold the tap switch and push in the service switch while continuing to hold for 5 seconds until the LED on the dimmer starts blinking. Then release. Ensure the bottom LED, indicator light 1, is blinking for preset mode, and hit the tap switch once to enter this feature. When initially entering this mode, you may see the bottom 3 indicator lights cycle. Simply press the raise or lower buttons to choose the desired light level to lock in your preset. To save your setting, press the tap switch. If you wanted to unlock your preset, lower the indicator light to the bottom, then press and hold the lower rocker for 3 seconds until the bottom 3 indicator lights begin to cycle. Then save this setting by pressing the tap switch. This will save the level and take you back out to the Advanced Features main menu. To exit Advanced Programming Mode, press and hold the tap button until the indicator lights stop blinking.